Now, you might be asking, what exactly is Threshold? Threshold is a unique cryptocurrency that's taking the digital finance world by storm. It's more than just a digital asset, it's a whole new approach to financial transactions. The purpose of Threshold is to offer a secure, efficient, and decentralized way of conducting transactions, setting it apart from traditional financial systems. What makes Threshold special in the sea of cryptocurrencies? Well, it's all about its unique features. Threshold uses cutting-edge cryptographic techniques to ensure user privacy and security. It also boasts a robust and innovative consensus mechanism, ensuring transactions are verified swiftly and accurately. The buzz around Threshold isn't just hype. Its focus on security, efficiency, and decentralization is why it's gaining attention in the crypto market. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a new way of thinking about how we conduct financial transactions. So, now that we know what Threshold is, let's explore how it works. Threshold's operation might sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward when broken down. Let's start off with transactions. Transactions with Threshold are just like any other digital transactions, but with an added layer of security. When you send Threshold coins, the system records the transaction on a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger is decentralized, meaning it's spread across numerous computers worldwide. This ensures that no single entity has control over the ledger. Now let's talk about how new Threshold coins are generated. This process is known as mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted Threshold coins. This not only incentivizes miners to maintain the system, but also keeps the supply of Threshold coins steadily increasing. But what about security? How does Threshold ensure that transactions are secure and that the system isn't manipulated? The answer lies in the blockchain. Each block of transactions added to the blockchain is linked to the block before it, forming a chain. If someone tries to tamper with a transaction, it would alter the information in that block. This would break the link with the subsequent block, alerting the system to the tampering attempt. The system would then reject the tampered block, maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. In addition, Threshold uses a proof-of-stake model. This means that the more Threshold coins someone holds, the more mining power they have. This creates a disincentive for any malicious activity, as anyone with a significant amount of Threshold would stand to lose a lot if they were to undermine the system. Furthermore, all transactions are encrypted using advanced cryptography. This ensures that only the intended recipient can access the Threshold coin sent to them, and that the sender's identity is protected. And that, in a nutshell, is how Threshold operates. Simple, right? So let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. We started by dipping our toes into the vast ocean of cryptocurrencies, breaking down the basic concept into digestible bits. We then turned our spotlight onto Threshold, a unique crypto coin that has been making waves in the digital currency world. We delved into its distinctive features and how it stands out from the crowd, offering a fresh perspective to the crypto scene. Next, we navigated through the intricate workings of Threshold. We explored its operation, looking at the nuts and bolts that drive this fascinating cryptocurrency. This provided a closer look at what fuels Threshold, and how it contributes to the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies. With this knowledge, you are now well on your way to understanding and navigating the world of cryptocurrencies, particularly Threshold. Remember, the world of crypto is vast and ever-changing, so stay curious and keep learning.